GoodWill finds Bloks Magnext, or an alien technology for my g.i.joes to investigate. I found these at my GoodWill. It's a Bloks Magnext. And it came with this case, but I didn't like the case, so I separated things into this little snap container. It's easier to store that way. These things are kind of cool. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with them, and it seems like I'm missing some parts. These square pieces are not fully square. They're just as complex as I am. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this stuff. I was thinking of using some alien technology or something. These ball bearings are made of metal, and they stick to these panels. On each one of these panels, they have magnets and the little cylinder ends. And you could construct like pyramid shapes or square shapes. It's pretty cool. I like magnets, so I kind of thought I'd pick this up and I'd figure out what I could use it for later. I might spray paint all the pieces one solid color. That way it blends in together. You can make little boxes and squares with these. And there's even pieces to make them spin. I don't know. Kind of strange. Or you can make it have a little lid. And it's really easy to even stack them on top of each other. Or you get a bigger box. There's little square panels that fit into the holes in the center of the panels. And these have a magnetic end to them. You can stick them on anywhere. I'm trying to figure out what I could do with them. Just sticking them all over the place. The magnets don't seem to hold very well. They're kind of not very strong. But you can make some really weird things with this. That's why I said I might use it as alien technology for my g.i.joes to investigate. With one of those panels, and they stick to the center. You can make really interesting towers and shapes with these. But I think if it was a solid color, it might look better. Let me know what you think I should do with them. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Well, that's all I have for you this time. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that like button and drop a question or drop a comment, ask a question. And don't forget to click, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.